Hello dear learner, in this video we will see how to create a Google Classroom. To create a Google Classroom, open your browser and open your Google site. Just type www.google.co.in and you will get this Google web page. On right hand side we can see the Gmail image, then few gray dots and then sign in. So to create a Google Classroom, we need to sign in to your Google account, your Gmail account which you have created earlier. So click this sign in button. I already used same laptop for creating my previous account, so it is already there. So you click on that, or if it is not there, you need to write down your Google username. Okay, so I will select my Google account, then I will enter the password. Next, and we have signed in with our Google account. So once you have signed in with your Google account, then you need to go to these few gray dots next to that sign in icon. These are nothing but the various Google apps. So Google Classroom is the part of this G Suite. G Suite is nothing but the various applications provided by the Google. So we can see here this Google Classroom. Just click here. It may take few seconds depending upon your laptop speed. Okay, now it will open this window and it will ask you whether you want to proceed with your current account or some different accounts. We want to proceed with the same account, so I will click continue. Okay, now create or join a class. So with this plus icon we can create or we can join existing class. We want to create our Google Classroom, so we will first click this plus sign, then two different options. So we will click create class. Okay, using the classroom at the school with the student and some description of this G Suite, some privacy, we need to click this check box and then press continue. Here you can write down the class name. This class name can be anything. We can also write down the subject name, but I will advise you to write down the class name and subject name. Suppose if we are creating the class for 10th, then I can write down the PHY, that is the subject code, then section, then subject and room and so on. Okay, so same way you can also write down the, suppose FY, BA, like that. Okay, anything. In our technical education we have the specific code assigned for the different class. So here I am writing that code EJ5I. These are practice in our technical education, so that's why I am writing the EJ5I. Then you can write down the section A or B and subject. Here you can write down the abbreviation of the subject. Suppose here I am creating the class for my subject embedded system, the abbreviation is ESY, so I will write the ESY. Then room, you can assign the room number, anything, room number 1 or so, and then we'll click the create. So now it's creating a class. Okay, so this class is created. We can also choose the photo for this class, or we can say we can select the theme. So few themes are available. These are the some themes are available. So you can choose any of the theme of your choice, suppose this, then select class theme. Okay, so in this way your Google Classroom is created. We will proceed with the remaining factors in upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video and keep learning.